It was a ride like any other, the open road stretching out before him. The wind whispered promises of adventure, but little did he know, fate had a different plan. In a heartbeat, the ordinary became a nightmare. A twist of fate, the screech of tires, and then darkness. He thought it was just a fall, but the shadows that lurked in the aftermath had a story of their own. Every scrape, every bruise, carried a sinister tale, as if the road itself had a memory, one that demanded to be heard. Now, haunted by the echoes of that fateful ride, he discovers that some journeys leave scars that run deeper than the surface. As he grapples with the unknown, a chilling truth unfolds sometimes. The real horror isn't on the road, but what it brings back with you. Brace yourself for a ride into the heart of darkness, where every twist in the road reveals a new nightmare. This time, the fear rides with you.